Instead of creating several separate routes in Google Maps, you can plan everything in one route. In this video I will show you how to plan a route with multiple stops in Google Maps on the desktop. Let's say we start at home, pick up 3 friends along the way, and then drive together to a picnic area. To do that, we open Google Maps in the browser. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. You will need this later if you want to send the route directly to your smartphone. Look at the search box at the top left of the screen. On the right side of this search box you will see the directions icon. Click it. The route planner will now open with a starting point and a destination field. In this example, the correct travel mode is driving. This option is usually already selected by default. If something else is active on your screen, simply switch it to driving. Then you can immediately start planning the route. Now set your starting point. In my example, I start in Stetson Hills in Colorado Springs. I begin typing Stetson Hills into the starting point field. As I type, Google Maps shows suggestions below the field. I can either press enter or click one of the suggested locations. In this example, I select Stetson Hills Boulevard in Colorado Springs. To keep this example simple, I will use street intersections for the intermediate stops instead of exact house addresses. Now we build the route step by step. As the first destination, I add the first friend. I enter Palmer Park Boulevard and Peterson Road in Colorado Springs. Then I confirm it. Google Maps immediately calculates the first simple route from the start to this point. Next, I pick up the second friend. To do that, I click a destination in the list. Now I enter Austin Bluffs Parkway and Academy Boulevard in Colorado Springs. Then I confirm it. Google Maps now extends the route. The new destination is added to the end of the existing plan. At this point, a short note. With this type of planning, there is a limit. I will show you in a moment how many points are possible in total. So far you have already built the first part of the route. If you would like a compact overview to follow along while watching, you will find the matching one-page PDF for this tutorial below the video. Now we add the third friend. I click Add Destination again. Then I enter Uinta Street and 19th Street in Colorado Springs. After confirming, this point is also added to the route. Now only our final destination is missing. I click Add Destination one more time. Then I enter Scotsman Picnic Area in Colorado Springs. After confirming, the route is now complete. From the starting point, past the 3 friends, all the way to the final destination. At the bottom of the planner, Google Maps now shows the estimated total travel time and the complete distance of the trip. In my example, the route is just over 23 miles. These values always refer to the entire route, including all intermediate stops. Earlier I briefly mentioned the limit. Google Maps allows a maximum of 10 points in total, including the starting point and the final destination. This means you can add up to 8 additional stops. If you want to remove a stop from the route, simply click the X next to the corresponding entry. Google Maps will then recalculate the route. Once your planning is finished, click Send Directions to your phone. You will receive a notification from Google Maps on your smartphone. When you tap it, the route opens directly in the app. This even works when the screen of your phone is locked. If the Google Maps app is already open on your smartphone, the route will not open automatically. In that case, you still need to tap the notification. The destinations remain in the same order in which you planned them. However, the exact routing between those stops can still change dynamically during navigation. Alternatively, click Copy Link to copy the route to your clipboard. You can then share the link with others. For example, if you want to send it to someone else. You can also save the link for yourself. This allows you to open the route again later. and continue editing it if necessary. If this felt like a lot of information at once, don't forget the compact overview for this tutorial below the video. It helps you follow the individual steps easily while trying it yourself. If you want to learn more about Google Maps routing, check out the other tutorials in this series. See you next time.